everybody, how are you today? Hope you're having a good day. So today for the video I have got a little sound game to play with you. So it's a little bit like a quiz. I'm going to play 5 different sounds and you have to guess what is making the sounds, okay? So you might want to write it down, you might want to remember it in your head, and then I'm going to post the answers with the video on the website so you can check, okay? So shall we give it a go? Yeah? Okay, so every time I play a sound I'm going to cover the camera like this and you're going to listen and see if you can guess what it is, okay? Are you ready for sound number 1? Okay, here we go. Here's sound number 1. Any ideas about sound number 1? If you think you know, write it down or remember it, don't forget. Okay, are you ready for sound number 2? Okay, listen carefully. Here is sound number 2. Okay, that was sound number 2. Any ideas? Don't forget or write it down so you don't forget. Okay, sound number 3. Here we go. Listen carefully. Okay, that was sound number 3. Make sure you have an idea, don't forget what it is. Okay, sound number 4. It's quite a quick one, so you need to listen very carefully for this, okay? Are you ready? Here we go. Sound number 4. That was it. Any ideas? Think you know, write it down. I'll give you a clue for this one. I can't do it again. Okay, final sound. Are you ready? Sound number 5. You ready? Here we go. Okay, that was your final sound. So if you think you know what those 5 different sounds were, please let us know if you think you've got it right, and then you can check the answers and see if you were right, okay? So have a good day everybody, and I'll see you all later.